Showers. You can dodge these. These are not severe weather. And even during the middle part of the day, there could be dry slots, maybe periods where the sun actually pops out for a few minutes. But don't be deceived, because a severe line of storms is coming in for late this afternoon to the severe storms, and that could really be an indication that you're in for the severe weather coming in to be the strongest. Here's what we know right now. 66 is the official reporting station number through northern New Jersey, upper 60s. Really across the board, we're looking at 60s, the coolest spot being Montauk at 62. Here's what to expect. This batch of rain early, not the main attraction. Early afternoon sun breaks could really trigger severe thunderstorms, which will approach late in the day, meaning 3 p.m. till about 9 p.m. is our window that we'll be watching. Already the weather alerts coming in for a coastal flood advisory until 11 o'clock tonight. And there's also a small craft advisory that goes till 6 a.m. on Monday. So we're watching these things come together as we go throughout the afternoon. We'll wait for this line of storms that'll come out of Pennsylvania and it'll make its way across the tri-state. As that happens, there's where the severe weather could develop. Now, the rainfall forecasts have not been that oppressive all morning, going between maybe 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch of rainfall. But if all of it comes in a short amount of time, or we get some areas where there's local drenching downpours, then that could really spell the trouble for flooding potential. Here's the futurecast. Now, watch into the afternoon. I think this one is pretty much on target for timing, maybe just a touch slow. First band coming into northwest New Jersey by 3 o'clock. And then the stronger line of storms arriving just after 5 o'clock. Look how quickly they will race through the area. And your oranges, yellows, and reds, and even some purples indicating very heavy downpours in the strong portions of the storm. And then it's all clearing out by 9 p.m. tonight. I went ahead and kind of zoomed in so that we could get a closer look at this right over the city. By 2 o'clock, we're going to be looking to the west for the first little shower activity. Then some heavier downpours coming mid-afternoon, say 4 o'clock. And then we get stronger storms coming in right around dinner time between 5 and 7 p.m. over the city. And then it clears out nicely for the rest of the evening, and the storms are out onto Long Island. So keep in mind, what's going to be happening for you is first up, the west gets it. Then as we go throughout the early evening, we're right over New York City, and then Long Island gets it last. So hopefully that can help with your planning and how things break down. Monday looks like a terrific day, and we get lots of sunshine, cool, 85, and I say cool because there'll be low humidity and a nice little breeze. So 76 with the severe storms this afternoon. Tonight we go to 65. It's all out of here by 10 o'clock, and then tomorrow, break down the day like this, a planning forecast for you so you can see just how nice it'll be. Starting at 7 a.m. we'll get 70 degrees. Noon we're already at 80, and a high tomorrow of 85. Low humidity, a nice southwesterly wind. It's going to be a very pleasant Monday. Tuesday doesn't look bad either, a high of 82. Then Wednesday there's another front cooling us down and keeping us in the 70s for the rest of the week. So the AccuWeather stuff.
You say it's all about timing, right?
Well, yes, it is all about timing, and it's a big heads up for everyone. Even if you're traveling to and from a place, you need to know the weather. Just because the event is not outdoors, you still need to pay attention to what's happening today, because severe weather today, which is indicating that we do have this hit or miss shower activity going on, but we could actually have a dry period where the sun peaks out for just a little bit, and that could further destabilize the atmosphere, meaning the storms could be more likely over areas where we do get those sun breaks. Teterboro right now at 68 degrees. White Plains, you've got 64. We're looking at 66 for Newark right now. On Long Island, 66 for Islip, 62 Montauk, down the Jersey Shore, mid-60s. And we're focused up really on central and southern New Jersey with the potential there for the strongest storms. But know the risk is there for everyone through this evening. We'll get downpours, damaging winds are possible. And when we focus in on central and southern New Jersey, we're saying we're doing that because that's where the elements and the conditions are most likely to support severe weather. So we'll watch this through the afternoon, but the risk is broken down really by the Storm Prediction Center. So NOAA has given the area in gray an enhanced risk for severe weather. And then behind that, we've got the slight risk in yellow, which includes New York City. And then in green, there's a marginal risk that includes coastal Connecticut and Long Island. So everybody's included in the risk category. We just know that there's a greater risk for central and southern New Jersey. Planning this day, look for the temperatures to climb into the 70s. We'll go for a high of 76 today. And then, of course, the storms possible. I'll have more details on how much rainfall, what we're thinking for timing, beginning and end. I'll have the futurecast as well in the AccuWeather 7-day. Tony?
Okay, Amy, thanks.